sometimes get to a certain door or a gate, like you may have to contort your body.
Keyless, can't let it go. He's going again.
I cannot help it.
Hey, pocket watchers, we're here at a meetup with Locksport, keyless entry. Doing a little bit of Lotto Lock Tuesday. Out the packet, we're looking at a Federal PL90. There's your specs. Shipped over in person by the wonderful Swindler.
Thank you, Swindler.
So Keyless is going for it again. Had to make the tension wrench on the go. The keyway is gnarly as gnarly. Like, have a look at that keyway.
I'll just set that on.
That is full on nasty. Look at the little wiggle up the top.
I'm struggling with the 15,000th hook here. Rotation.
So keyless entry is used to picking in a vice.
Yes, I never pick in hand.
Picking in hand,
out of my comfort zone.
But out of the box.
Yeah, out of the box.
With a tension wrench made on the go to fit the keyway.
Oh, overset 5.
While sitting on a bunch of rocks that are going up, you know where.
What?
We're waiting for the dolphins to come and give us a distraction.
One set, let's drop back down. 2 feels good. 3 is a maybe. Oh, 4 just went up. Oh, overset 5 then. So that, drop back down. Might be 1 actually. It's oh. For the keep and drop back down, but it's not. No, it got overset. All right, here we go again.
So this has got a dead core, steel shackle, plastic body, very similar to the Master Lock 410s. The keyway on this one is this. That's the key you're looking at.
Oh, now I've got some more counter rotation. Oh, 4. Okay,
the key on the other one.
Forget about it.
Look at that.
Hey, yay, yay!
We have an open. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Oh, had to do that. Very nice. Tricky pick. Very tricky pick. I wish I could gut it to see what's inside, but I do have one of these at home. It's not a lockout tagout lock, but it's a Japanese version steel-bodied Federal lock with the same keyway. And when I was picking this, I could see a serrated key pin, a steel serrated key pin in there. I'm not sure if you can see that. Oop. Oh, can you see that key pin in there? Maybe not better.
But look at that gnarly.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can see it.
Yep. So
look at that keyway.
So it had and it had overmilling in the core as well.
Oh, nasty.
So I'm wondering if this is the same type of core that they would use in their lockout tagout locks, but that was a battle. But I feel good.
I got a few of these from Swindler, so I might just sacrifice one and gut it, so we all know what's inside these Federal 90 PL90s.
I want to see which way the shackle on this. I don't want to turn it into a rattle, and I've turned it to a position where I'm not too sure which way to spin it back. So I've got another one here, so I can see that shackle opening is on this side here. So when I close it, the top of the keyway faces the shackle. So I've got this one here, so that needs spinning around to the top there to lock it back up.
Nice.
And that should work with the key now. Oh, wrong key. There we go.
Very nicely
cool.
Done.
Very glad to get this one on camera. Awesome.
Great work.
Thank you.
Well, pocket watchers, that's us on location. Awesome to meet up with Paul Springer, Swindler, his lovely wife, and keyless entry. Hoping for a dolphin to come and say g'day, but not to be. They came in earlier this morning to say g'day to the Kiwis. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Stay legal.
Temptation is everywhere.